In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an outside bar in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like, such as stocks, forex, or crypto. Once your chart is visible, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually found near the top toolbar, above your candles or bars. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where TradingView keeps all of its built-in tools, scripts, and strategies. When the Indicators window opens, you'll see several tabs and categories. What we want to access here is the Strategies section. Strategies are a bit different from regular indicators because they can simulate trades and show you how a particular approach might have performed historically. In that Indicators window, look for the Strategies tab and click on it. This will filter the list so you only see strategy scripts. Now that you're inside the Strategies section, you should see a list of available strategies you can add to your chart. In the search field, or in the list if it's visible, look for something called Outside Bar Strategy. The exact location might vary a little bit depending on your layout, but usually you can just type Outside Bar into the search bar at the top of the window, and it should appear in the results below. Once you see Outside Bar Strategy in the list, click on it once. As soon as you do, TradingView will automatically apply this strategy to your active chart. You'll notice some new visual elements appearing, such as signals or markers that highlight outside bars, along with any backtesting data the strategy provides. If your screen looks a bit cluttered at first, don't worry, that's normal. You can always open the settings for the strategy later to tweak colors, add or remove labels, and adjust the inputs so it matches your trading style. From here, you can hover over or click the strategy name in the top left corner of your chart to access its settings, performance summary, and other details. Take a moment to scroll through your chart and see how the outside bars are identified and how the strategy responds to them. This will help you understand how it behaves before you rely on it in your own trading. If you'd like to use this exact setup and support the channel, use the link in my description to sign up for TradingView